Okay, we're gonna start off here writing a new program. So you hit list, and we're gonna write a numerical program. So you press the button here at new numerical. Okay, we got to start off putting the data into it. The width of the material is going to be 22 inches. We're using 16 gauge, so the thickness is .062. The resistance for mild steel, we're inputting 44. And if you're curious about what number to put in there, in any block on this screen, you can hit the question mark down here, your help button, and it explains to you what type of value to put in a certain field. Here you see iron, they have listed 31 to 50. 44 is a good number for mild steel. Okay, now we got to select our tooling. You come up here and hit your tool button one time to bring up your die list. Okay, we're going to come down here, and we're going to select that die there. Now you press insert, and it inserts the die in there. Now we're going to select the punch. Hit your tool button twice. Okay, there's our punches. Okay, that's the one we want to use here. Press insert. Okay, hit enter. Alright, for bend 1 we want 90 degrees. And notice it automatically calculates your bend depth. Okay, we want a back gauge of 4 inches. And it automatically calculates the height for your arm. Okay, now we want to add a second bend. You just come down here and hit your next button. Okay, on that bend, we want a 45 degrees, so we're going to put in 135. Back gauge is 2 inches. And it calculated your arm. Okay, so there's our program with 2 bends. Now we're going to save it. You hit your save button. And we're going to give it a name of the part number, 6588. Put it in manual mode. Okay, notice here on the screen it says ram sizing, press up. Also, the back gauge is not calibrated. It tells you to press start. So we're going to go ahead and size the ram. Okay, notice the light came on telling you that the ram is now honed or sized. Now we're going to press the start button to size the back gauge, the X and the R axis. Okay, they turn blue, everything's at home now. We're ready to make our parts, so now we're going to go to automatic. It says press start to go ahead and position the back gauge. Back gauge is in position, now it's telling you to press down the bend. Touch new graphic. Once again, we got to put in the general data for the part that we're making. The width here is going to be 20 inches. We got some 3/16. Resistance for mild steel 44. Now we're going to select the die. Press the tool button one time. There, that's the die we're going to use. Press insert. There it is. Press the tool button twice to get to your punch list. That's the punch we're going to use. Press insert. There it is. Okay, now we're going to save it. And then we're actually going to draw the piece that we're going to make. Okay, so we're going to start off. This leg's going to be 4 inches. Okay, we've got a 120-degree angle here. And that leg is also 4 inches. Okay. Now we're going to go minus 120 degrees. And that's a 4-inch leg. And then we're going to go up 90 degrees. And that's a 3-inch leg. So at this point you hit calculate so the machine can calculate if you're going to crash the part or if you have the correct tooling to make the part. If you don't, it'll tell you. If you're going to crash the part, it'll also show you. So you hit calculate. At this point you can hit optimize and the machine will figure out if it can make this part with the tooling you selected or not. Okay, it looks like it's calculated just fine. It says it found a solution. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and confirm that. We confirmed it. Now you can go to automatic mode. And as you can see, it's already calculated your LDCs, your back gauge positions, and all that. So now we're ready to make that part. You hit start like it says on the screen to position the back gauge. Now let's make the part. Okay, that's our completed part. You can also pull up and make the part with the graphic screen on. Okay, it shows you, that's going to be your first bend. It shows you how to position your part. Okay, so we'll go ahead and make that. And every time we make a bend, it's going to advance to the next bend to show you how to position the part. Note where the circle is. Okay, notice we rotated the part. Now we flip the part upside down. Okay, that's the part. Notice it gave you a development number. It gives you that on all the screens too. To make that part, The piece needs to be 14.22 inches in length. You can also do a different view on it. You can go to the 3D viewer and do the same thing. It shows that the part's been rotated. Okay, and flip.